Do you serve walk-in customers? Here's how to create their order on the spot. Select Create Orders in the left menu. Make sure the Book Now toggle is active before choosing the products. Just click on the desired products. You may also filter by category. If you are serving a group of customers, you may add additional people to the order. Then select the items they'll be renting. This way, everyone in the group gets their own assigned products, making it possible to track who receives which item. Then make sure you've selected the correct order duration. Once you've added all customers and their products, click Continue in the right panel to proceed to payment. Enter at least the customer's name. When adding also an email address, an order confirmation will be sent automatically. If there are multiple customers in the same order, enter their names as well. Make sure that the correct payment option is selected. For walk-in customers, choose Charge Now to mark the order as paid right away. Then click Confirm Order to finalize the process. And that's it. The order is now automatically added to the top of your upcoming orders list, ready for fulfillment.